Hey, if you're watching this video, you are interested in Kartra reviews or a tutorial, and it's 2022 right now, so I'm going to go ahead and update the one that I did last year and help you to understand how you can use Kartra to basically make your business work easier. So we're going to go over what Kartra is and how it can actually serve your business and help your business to grow. If you stick around towards the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you can get an extra 14 days on your trial, so you can take it for a test drive. So you get, I think it's 28 to 30 days instead of the 2-week trial that you normally get. But let's go ahead and get started, go through what Kartra is and how it can serve your business. All right, so what I want you to think about is, what should your business look like maybe a year from now? What is your goal for that? Are you wanting to have maybe a membership site where you can talk about a certain topic and have members sign up for that? Are you wanting to have a lot, or maybe a big email list of 1,000 email subscribers, or 10,000, or your first 100? Are you wanting to have a lot of video content that people can watch and learn more about you, and maybe you can teach them some things? Well, Kartra covers all of these different things and enables you to make your business, as you can see right here, everything you need all in one place. Your business is made easy. Everything's all in one. It's not where you're buying an email service provider and you're buying Vimeo or Wistia for your video content, and you're buying a landing page software. It's all works in a seamless kind of fashion. Everything connects easily, and you're not paying for all these different services, which typically add up and cost way more than an actual membership to Kartra. All right, I'm going to open Kartra here in a minute and let you see the back end, the dashboard, and what all that looks like so that you can get a feel for it. Before I do that, though, I'm going to scroll down and show you a couple of things, if you haven't already looked at this, just so you can see if these are things that your business can use now or they might use in the future. Kartra checkouts, that's basically like your PayPal payments, debit card payments. You're able to accept payments through Kartra. Pages, landing pages, those are really, really well done. There's a ton of templates, and they're drag and drop, so they're very easily customizable. Leads, you can see here, you're building your database of leads and contacts. Obviously, your funnels, you can set all that up so that works seamlessly and people opt in. Email, again, all these things just work together in one system. So your email is connected to your funnels, which are connected to your leads, which they can pay through. So you're not duct taping all these different things together. I talked about before Kartra memberships, so that if you're wanting to start a membership site, they have help desks, videos. You don't have to use something like Wistia or Vimeo. Surveys, you can skip SurveyMonkey. So any of these things that you might already have, you can delete those memberships and wind up saving a bunch of money. Calendars, forms, affiliates. If you have a product or service that has affiliates, you can sign that all up. I think that is free under the $97 level. That's actually one of the reasons why I quit Kajabi a long time ago, because there was a difference in price on that. Anyways, you can scroll through all these different things and see these, so you can get a feel for what things would work for your business. Okay, so here is the dashboard of Kartra. You've got your products, communications, pages, forms. You can read all of this here. Products, if you have a specific product, maybe like a lead magnet, an ebook, something like that, you can create that, and you'll create it under one of these tabs here, and then you can wind up selling it through your products. This is how you track everything. You can create coupons, have affiliates for these products. My Communications tab, this is where all of your leads, your communications, analytics, you can create broadcasts and automations. I used to use MailChimp, so I got rid of MailChimp. I didn't need that anymore because I could do that all here. And obviously with your leads, you can tag them, create lists, and whatnot. Next up, you've got pages. These are some of the landing pages that I put together and utilize for a course that I created. So again, creating landing pages, you would just come over here and click to create a new page and go from there. You have the option to create different forms that you can embed in different pages or other places. My memberships is if you want to create a membership program, you can do that here. So that's really powerful. You're not paying for another software to have a membership site, if you will, or membership integration. My videos, you're skipping Wistia, you're skipping Vimeo, YouTube, all of that. You can create your own videos here, and you're storing them here. My calendars is you can embed calendars. And again, when you get the trial, you can scroll through here and read all of this. I want to keep it somewhat concise because this doesn't apply to everybody, but I'm just showing you what different things you can see behind the scenes. Surveys, I've not actually built surveys. That's a little bit of a newer thing. It's probably not super new, but I just haven't built them. And the other thing I'd probably say is Kartra has so many things in here, you're not going to use everything probably, but you won't use it until you probably need it, and then it'll be there for you. Help desks, you can create help desks for websites. You can create for your, I believe it's under pages, you can actually create your own website through Kartra and set that up. So you could get rid of something like Wix if you want. You've got different campaigns here. You can read more about that. There's available campaigns in Campaign Marketplace. You got my integrations here. You can connect with third-party apps here if you want to do that. Then you've got my agency. That's another thing that I've not really messed with, but you can run your own Kartra agency and have people that you're managing their accounts for. And then this one's cool too, my affiliate promos. You can actually promote Kartra, and you can promote any other programs or affiliates that run through Kartra. And if you have a friend who's interested in Kartra, you can get a 40% commission if you say, hey, you should check out Kartra, and they do that and they sign up. Then you're going to make 40% commission basically for life as long as they use Kartra. So if you're interested in affiliate content or affiliate marketing, that's really, being able to get to that additional income coming in is pretty cool too. And that's the one good thing about Kartra is I like the program, so I don't mind sharing information about it with others. Again, Kartra is a great way to run your business. It's no longer duct taped. You're not paying multiple companies, multiple thousands of dollars a year to run all these different pieces and then trying to integrate them and make them work with each other. It just all works together. All right, so if you are ready to try Kartra and you want the extra 14 days, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. You have to click the link. As I mentioned, it's at the top of the comment section and in the description. You have to click that specific link. And if you do that, it will give you the option for 30 days. If you don't do that, it's only going to give you the option for 14. But you're going to click on the link. You'll come here to plans and pricing and click that. And you'll see, the different options for this. But what I want you to do is take your mouse and act like you're going to leave. Then a pop-up will happen and we'll give you an option for a 30-day trial as opposed to the 14-day trial. Go ahead and hit yes, and that will get you going. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll answer those in the comment section below. Go ahead now and click on the link, get your free trial, and test it out.